Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how background make blur, which means unclear. So here's the background, here is our subject, here is our subject. So we make the subject clear, but the background make unclear. So what have to do? First, just go to quick selection tool and draw the subject, or it is easiest way, just here select subject. You can see what happened. They automatically select the subject. You can see you automatically select the subject. So we select the subject. So now we make another layer. Just press Ctrl J. Here is, you can see we make another layer. So we have to make this background unclear or blur. So just go to filter and then go blur gallery and then choose fill blur. So which here I make here, you can see I make here unclear, or you can make here unclear, here unclear, or here unclear. So just press OK. You can see the background already unclear or blur. You can make more blur, just round it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.